Let's do a show you how to book a flight in Wizz Air, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First, open Wizz Air on your browser. Go to the directories page here, just type in the type of your flight, if it's a return flight or a one-way flight. For example, I'm going to choose a return flight. So for example, choose your origin, where you're flying from. And here add your destination, for example, Belgium. Add your departure date and your return date and add how many passengers and people are traveling for according to your needs. For example, here I'm choosing one adult, only me, and click on Start Booking. Now it will just display the flights depending on my specification. So just choose your flight here. For example, click on Select and click Continue for all. How to book this flight, but security is down, so this is how to book a flight in Wizz. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.